Let's learn how to make a graph using Excel and then insert it in our Word document. So I'm going to get into Excel, and I've highlighted this cell, and I'm going to type in my groups. Normal light. Then I'm going to tab over to the next cell and type in red light. Then I'm going to hit tab and it will take me to the next cell. I'm going to put in blue light. Underneath the normal light, I'm going to put in the data, which is 10. Underneath red light, I'm going to put in the data, which is 8. And under blue light, I'm going to put in the data, which is 6. Alright, I'm going to highlight my data. I'm going to click on this box and then drag over and include my groups and then down to my data. Then I'm going to go up to insert. These are different types of graphs and charts that you can make. We want a bar graph, but we want the bars to go up and down, not sideways. So we're going to pick column. We're going to click on that. We're going to choose 2D column, this first one, and we're going to click on it. And then what Excel is going to do is take our data and what we've written here and make a bar graph for us. Well, that's great, but we got to put labels and titles and stuff like that, so we have to change this a little bit. So if you notice up here, it gives you different types of layouts. I'm going to click this down button and it's going to show me all the possibilities. I'm going to choose this one because it gives us the option of labeling the axes and putting a title in. So I'm going to click on that, and now we can go in and edit this. So if I go into this and click on chart, I can edit the text. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put in the title of our experiment, which is the effect of types of light on bean seed germination. Then I'm going to click on this one. This is our DV, so we want to put over here the number of seeds germinated. So if I just click anywhere in this box, it will let me edit the text. So I'm going to choose backspace, delete, 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 and then I'm going to put number of bean seeds germinated. Over here, I need to put my IV. So I'm going to click on this box. I'm going to backspace, delete, delete, delete. Then I'm going to put in type of light. And if you notice, it's labeled our groups for us using what we put in over here. We don't need a legend, so I'm going to click on that and just delete it. Now you can go in and change the font and so forth and so on by clicking on highlighting it, clicking on home. This is bolded. Maybe we don't want to bold it. Maybe we want to change the size. We can do that. Same thing over here. We can also move this box around a little bit. If we get that four-corner arrow there, we can move it up a little bit if we want to. We could click on the box. We can highlight the text. If I can get this cursor to work, we can change that from get rid of the bold, we can make it a little bigger if we want to. We could make that 12-point font. Same thing down here. We could click on the box, place our cursor, highlight everything, unbold it, change the size of the font. There we go. That looks pretty good to me. I like that. So now we can just click on it, copy it. We can go into our Word document, click, right click, paste, boom, there we go. Now if we want to move it around, we can do that, but one way I found that makes this easier to do, if we hit Format, we go to Text Wrapping, and we hit Square, it gives you more options on where to place it. So I can move it now anywhere I want. I like it like that. Then when I click back on the open space, now I've got this great graph. Hope that helps.